Hello everyone! So in today's video I have another Yesstyle haul. I'm so excited for this one. I got quite a few cute things for this haul, so let's just go ahead and get started. I like doing my hauls like these where I'm just literally standing and trying them on as we go so you see my reactions. But let me know if you're into the whole sit down haul instead. I got quite a few clothes. I also got some accessories that I want to show you guys. I'm not sure what to try on first. Actually, I do. I'm really curious about this top. I'll have everything linked in the description down below for you guys. I also have a code that you can use so you save a little bit of money. So this is the first top. It's like a halter top and then it ties in the back. I just feel like the colors are super pretty and they're more so like spring colors, but I still feel like it's perfect for summer. So I'm gonna try it on. Let's see. So I have the first item on. It's so cute. I think the only issue is I don't have a large chest. I just feel like it's not very supportive. I feel like if I got like a safety pin and I just safety pinned this so I can close it, it would be super cute. But if I just left it open, like I have this area where it's just not very safe. The back is an open back. Like I said, you're able to tie it like at the top and the bottom. I love halter neck tops. I just feel like they really flatter my shoulders. I think I just really wasn't thinking about this, but I feel like if you did have a larger chest than me, it'll definitely work out. I just can't be able to hold this, you know? I have a couple more tops that I want to try out for you guys that I'm super excited about. So there's this one. It's like this halter kind of top. The colors are stunning, super summery, super out there. I wasn't sure if I should get this one, but there's also like just a plain blue kind of design. But I felt like I could definitely try this out just to see and just for something fun, you know? So it really just felt super 70s retro, so I really just went with it. You can definitely wear it like this, or I was thinking to cross it and like wear it like that. So here is what the top looks like on. I did that whole cross situation, so I kind of like went like this and put it over my neck, if that makes sense. I'll show you the other simple way of wearing it, but I just feel like the whole front cross situation is so popular, so I had to try it with this top. And I just feel like, again, with the halter look, like it makes my shoulders look super open. It just really flatters my shoulders and I just love how it looks. The fabric isn't the most stretchiest. I mean, I am able to fit through it, but it was kind of a struggle, especially like getting this through my head. It was kind of a struggle as well. So I'm gonna show you guys how to wear it, like how it comes with, so you don't have to like cross or do anything crazy. So yeah, that's what the back looks like. So here is a more simple way of wearing it, of course. So it's literally just straight down. I would definitely wear it like this if I didn't have the energy to just tie it around. Let me know in the comments down below, would you guys wear it the first way or this way? I'm pretty sure you guys saw this laying on the floor in like the beginning of the video, but I did get a tote bag. This is what it looks like. It says, "Hi youth, 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 youth." And I think it's just like saying how we're young, you know, just being young and carefree. I don't really have like a canvas tote bag like this. I mean, I do, but it's not really the shape. But what's cool about this tote bag is the fact that there's like a button right here. So you have a way of like ensuring it's a little bit closed at least. And there's a pocket. I don't have tote bags really that have a pocket. I just feel like that's such a necessity because everything does end up like getting all messy inside. When you're trying to look for a chapstick, like you really want me to dig deep in here? No, like I can put it in this pocket and life is better. So I'm gonna try on this top for you guys. It's kind of like the bustier corset kind of look, but the thing is it's corduroy and I love corduroy and it's such a beautiful color. So obviously it like closes like that. I feel like this is gonna be one of my favorites. So this is what it looks like. I love it. I feel like it's really just so flattering. Whenever any tops like have this V shape, I know sometimes I was like, this is weird, it looks weird, but it honestly just flatters you and like your body type, even if you don't have curves, because I don't. And that's fine. That's totally fine. But yeah, it just gives off that illusion that I do. I really hope it just doesn't come like unbuttoned or undone. I love how corduroy looks. I love how it has like that lining, but it's technically not even a line. It's just like the design of it. Next thing I'm gonna try on are actually these shorts. I don't have a lot of shorts like these, so I just thought might as well. And these shorts are pretty popular as well. I feel like they've been popular for years, but just the fact that they're so comfy and you can definitely just like wear it out and wear a cute top. Literally literally could wear this. Actually, we don't know. We'll see. I'll try it on with this, but I don't know if that would be cute. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys and lower it a little bit. Okay, so these are the shorts. I feel like they're so comfortable and just like so chill. I don't know if the top goes really well with it. I do like the colors that's happening here. I just feel like I can definitely wear this on a super hot day or just literally laying in my bed doing nothing. But the fact that they have pockets too, it's just so nice. I love it. It did have the drawstring, but because I'm wearing this, it didn't really go well. So I kind of just like put it behind it. Next is actually this set. I got a set for top and bottoms. I just feel like I want it to be comfortable. So I got this crop top. It's so cute. I think that's like tennis rackets. I don't know anything about sports. I swear I sound stupid. I'm so sorry. It says since 2013 and it says society, and it's just a cute little top. Honestly, you guys, this material is so nice. It's like ribbed and lightweight, which is, I feel like, perfect for summer. And then they also have the matching shorts that go with it. I'm just really liking comfy shorts, so I had to get these. You guys, this set is so freaking adorable. I love it. Honestly, I don't even think you need to wear a bra with this, but it is a tiny bit see-through when I was like stretching it out to like fit it over my head. So I'm wearing like some padding. So this is the set. Obviously the shorts are a little bit shorter than the sweat shorts that I just showed you guys, but it's definitely what I thought it would be. Super airy, flowy, and just like it doesn't even feel like anything is, you know, like bothering me. It's just so comfortable. That's what the back looks like. I just feel like it's super cute, and honestly, oh my gosh, you guys, I am trendy, right? I'm trendy. I definitely feel like you can still see through my shirt, but that's okay. This set does come in a bunch of different colors. I think there's like a beige or like a cream one, a black one, a brown one, dusty rose color. So yeah, I chose the navy blue one because I thought it was cute, and I don't really have anything like this. So if I got another pink one, like I need to stop with the pink. Okay, so I completely forgot about this top. Here is this top that I also got from Yesstyle. It's just this really pretty white top. It's super feminine. I really do like this support. I mean, there's really not much to support. I do really like the detailing of the ruching right here, or like the whole extra fabric. And there's like a cute little bow. The straps are super thick, as you guys can see. I feel like it's really flattering as well. And that's just what the back looks like. I think the only thing that's a little strange to me is like this extra fabric right here. But in general, I'd still wear it. I still think it's a super cute top. So, okay, yeah. So there's this top. Let's move on. So along with the tote bag, I did get a couple more accessories. I wanted to show you guys what I got. So I got blue light glasses. I know it's really random. I spend a lot of time in the computer and my phone, and I need to protect my eyes before they get worse because I wear contacts, I wear glasses. If I don't protect my eyes, it's gonna get worse. So I got these. They're so adorable. I really wish like my actual glasses looked like these, but they are just like a transparent, I don't know if you guys can see. The frames are like a pink tint. Next, I got a claw clip because if you guys know, I got these. If you guys know, I got a set of these on Amazon. I'll link that stuff down below too, like my Amazon storefront. But I got a set of these on Amazon for a set of 4, like 4 different colors. But one of them was pink and I completely broke it. So I went on Yesstyle and they have the exact same ones. But for this one, I chose like this rose pink. I'm gonna do my hair right now so you guys can see. I'm sure everyone knows what these look like, but they're just so cute. Like, come on. Especially this color. So I got this set. I got it in purple. There are a few different colors, but I chose the purple one. Focus. This is what it looks like. There's this big chunky transparent one, or like a see-through one, and then there's this like purple chain one, and I thought that was so cute. And then another one that I got is actually this pastel purple one. Look how pretty they are. I love how it looks. They're so pretty. I love how this one, you can definitely adjust it to your ring size. I just think it's so cute and these rings are so trendy, so Yesstyle has them. That is pretty much everything that I got from Yesstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which is your favorite item that I got from this haul. If you like these Yesstyle hauls, make sure to let me know in the comments down below as well. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. I've been noticing a lot of new viewers and you're not subscribed, so make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys again for watching. All of the links to everything that I showed in this video will be in the description down below for you guys, so it's easier for you. I love you. Make sure to stay safe and have a good day. Bye.